Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is about becoming a social media influencer. We did cover this topic briefly in our highly appreciated video 5 business ideas for women in Hindi. Please see the link in the description box if you haven't seen it yet. Other than being a service provider, digital and social media also gives us an opportunity to earn from it, and sometimes that too while sitting in the comfort of our home. Now a basic question comes. Who are influencers? Influencers are just normal people who have earned a significant followership because of their content and interaction with viewers in the social media. Influencers achieve their fame because of the content and the time they share with their followers. Companies looking to promote their products look at them as relevant means, not necessarily as brand ambassador. Influencers generate relevant content for their audience and actively endorse the products on their social media accounts. Now let's see the process to become a social media influencer. Think about a topic which interests you, anything which can be beneficial to others and they can learn from your videos. Choosing a topic of your interest will keep you engaged for a long time without being bored or tired. Maybe you are good at dancing, or good in organizing house, or you make good delicious food, or maybe you can teach a language or make DIYs. If not, maybe you would be interested in making daily vlogs where you share your everyday life, or maybe you're interested in comedy and like to make comedy videos, or you love to travel and want to start a traveling channel. Whatever may be your interest, keep that as starting point and key to generate your content. It is always recommended to choose specific content than having lots of confused variety. It is not a rule. However, in case you create something out of your niche, then your audience may not watch it, and more so, social media algorithm will not generate enough impressions to make it popular. Becoming a social media influencer may require soft skills like editing, camera handling, sound and light techniques. All this is not a rocket science. Yes, initially it can be overwhelming, but gradually you will learn. And to learn photography and editing, you can either self-learn, join some short courses, watch YouTube tutorials, or join some online academy. One of such online academies is Skillshare, and this video is powered by them. Skillshare is an online community for creators with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and more. They have classes in photography, film production, music production, writing, fine art, painting, craft, and many more. Even I have enrolled for some of the courses at Skillshare to refine my skills and make my videos better. The best part is you can learn everything while sitting at home. Premium membership gives you unlimited access, so you can join the classes and communities that are just right for you. Skillshare is also super affordable. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. So if you're interested, please find all the information in the description box. The first 500 of my subscribers to use the link in the description box will get a 2-month free trial. Instagram is an easy platform, as here you just need to click good pictures and have to write something about it. But make sure pictures are clicked professionally. However, it does not mean that Instagram is a perfect choice all the time. The reason is simple. Your ideal audience may not be spending their time here. Maybe for your kind of content, YouTube or Facebook is better, where you can upload videos. Choose a platform which can be your main medium for uploading content and viewer interaction. And then you can make your presence available on other platforms depending upon your availability to build up an ecosystem which grows organically. Once you decide the media platform, create your profile or channel name. Here you can be creative in choosing name, but do not make very long and hard to pronounce names. Best is to make such names which can reflect your personality and the kind of content you are about to make. Also make media accounts on all the platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to keep the audience always updated. Click professional pictures or make good quality videos. Nowadays, all the phone comes with good camera which can capture HD and 4K images. If you can afford, then invest in a camera, tripod, editing software, stabilizers, as they are the great tools to create quality pictures and videos. At the beginning, you can buy a basic tripod like Benro, which may cost around 2500 rupees. If you don't use tripod, video can be shaky and a big put-off for the audience. There are free softwares as well, but come with limited functionality and watermarks. If not camera, I would just suggest having a good editing software from the beginning itself. There are plenty of them and they don't cost much. They can transform your videos to high standards. My earlier videos were shot on phone, but I used the professional editing software to edit them, which really worked for me and they generated millions of views. Think it like an investment. Also, don't ignore the voice part. If you have a lot of background noise in your video, it kind of disturbs viewers and gives unprofessional look. So initially you can just download voice recording app on phone and later when the budget permits, buy an external voice recorder. Now the video is made or the best quality pictures are clicked for Instagram. Now the most important work comes. That is publishing the video or picture on the media platform. For YouTube videos, proper title, description and tags are important. This is how the algorithm searches these videos and recommend them to the appropriate audience. Keywords play a major role here, so use them properly. Same way on Instagram and Twitter, you have to use proper hashtags. If you make a good use of them, you can really get followers and views fast. Now comes the most awaited topic for which you all must be waiting: how to earn from social media. So on YouTube and Facebook, you can monetize your videos after completing certain eligibility criteria which are revised time to time. Once your videos are eligible for monetization, YouTube or Facebook will start running ads on your videos and will share the revenue with you. The amount of revenue totally depends on the countries from where you are getting the most views. Like ads in US, Canada, Australia are expensive than Asia. On YouTube, at the end of the month, you can see how much revenue you have through AdSense account and it will be transferred to your bank account on 21st of the following month. At present, Instagram does not have this kind of revenue sharing program. Second way to earn is sponsorship. Once you have good followers on media platforms, companies start approaching you to showcase their products through your channel. You can charge a fee according to the screen time for videos and numbers of posts on Instagram and Twitter. Say like if you showcase a product for 30 to 40 seconds, you charge so and so amount. And if it is 3 to 5 minutes dedicated video, you charge higher. And if you post one picture or short video on Instagram, you charge say 5,000 rupees, and if 5, you charge 25k. Choose sponsorships wisely. Do not accept all. Think if this product is suitable for viewers or not. You can also approach to brand managers of good companies and directly ask them if they would like to showcase their products on your channel. Although I am not totally convinced about this idea, as I have never done that. It also lowers the chances of bargaining a better price with them as you have approached them. I suggest wait till you reach 100k subscribers, companies will start approaching you. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. Whatever products you use in your videos, you can leave their affiliate links in the description box, and if your viewers buy products through those links, you get some commission. Commission vary from product to product and portal to portal. To be honest, if you don't make use of other means like affiliate marketing or sponsorships, it would be difficult to make the channel self-sustaining unless you are a star. Equipment, software, hardware upgrade can incur significant cost. Once you start uploading the content, get engaged with your viewers by replying to their comments and queries. Also ask them to follow you on your social media where you share weekly updates and personal pictures. If you have been active on any social media channel, you know how often network update their algorithm as well as their posting terms and conditions. As an aspiring influencer, you need to keep yourself updated with these changes to avoid penalization. Knowing about copyrights is must. You just cannot use someone else's content like music, photos or videos without relevant permissions. Unauthorized use can lead to closure of your account. These days, algorithms are very smart and can easily detect unauthorized use of audio or video. Staying consistent is the most important thing after quality content. Your followers get used to a cycle where they look for new content at a particular time or day. Similarly, social media algorithms also generate maximum impressions if you release content consistently and periodically. Point is to get your audience and the social media algorithms accustomed to you and help you become more popular. So knocking the door at your audience and at media platforms consistently and periodically is one of the biggest advice that I can offer. If you don't, both the audience and algorithm have short memory and they will move on. One thing you will need to figure out as a social media influencer is how much content you need to post, how often and at what time. A lot of this will depend on your niche and your target audience. All of it can be done through trial and errors and demands hours and hours of your time. Now let's see some of the pros and cons of being a social media influencer. Once you reach a certain level of success and making a living out of it, you are like a small business owner where you can define your working hours. Want to work early morning or wish to require 2 days off? There is no problem at all. If you are able to get good following and generate good views, you can really earn well, sometimes more than what you get in a full-time job. Your knowledge grows and you get to meet amazing people who do well in other fields. Income is not constant here. If you fall sick or you don't work for few weeks, your earning goes down. Trolling is the biggest cons among all. Once you make up your mind to become an influencer, also be ready to get trolled. Many people will love you, but some people will hate you also. You may get few bad comments. Having a thick skin is much desirable. So just ignore the haters and keep doing your work. Making a perfect video takes time and days. A good video is an outcome of good editing, which is time consuming. Lot of YouTubers work overnight to edit videos so that they can work in quietness. At this point, social media influencer is not a long-term career. There is no guarantee that it might last forever. The bubble might burst or another social media influencer within your niche might overtake, or a new platform with higher popularity can change the way social media works. Staying ahead and updated is the game one must play to stay relevant. It's a business of patience. Many people leave this work as they don't gain sufficient followers and views over a period of time, which can be frustrating. Social media is a powerful platform to showcase your talents. Before you think of becoming a social media influencer, ask yourself what is that you can present to your viewers. Do you really have a content or you want to do it just because someone else is doing it and successful at it? Appearance-wise, it may look easy, but like any other job, it demands a lot of time, hard work, consistency, and motivation. It cannot be done overnight. It is a slow, steady, and time-consuming activity to be achieved over months and years. But once you achieve it and become popular, you can earn substantially to make living out of it. Becoming a social media influencer is not a destination. Instead, it can be a stepping stone to more significant opportunities and responsibilities. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more such videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.